The topic of choice will be case presentation. This is the chapter number 1 of normal and abnormal growth. Like growth and development is the beautiful chapter, and we have a proper detailed case presentation which will go in multiple parts. Actually, it's a very long case. So let's talk about it and let's discuss. Okay. First question. Let's play it as question answer format. Number 1, in the case presentation, how do you start taking the history? You normally say, sir, the first thing you take is patient's name, age, sex, address, informant. This is the first pediatric case which we take always. Please remember, name, age, sex, address, and informant is what the first, like the starting thing we do. Please remember, here we don't take occupation. If it was a medicine patient, name, age, sex, occupation, address, of course I would have taken occupation. In that case I would have taken. For pediatrics, of course, children's, you don't take occupation. So name, age, sex, address, and the informant, right? Let's go one by one. The first question comes to my mind is name. Why do you think name is important? My patient name is Osama, or my patient name is Rahul, or my patient name is Tina. Why it is really important for taking the patient's name? Is it that important? Number one, see, now my classes try to just be happy, have a good little smile on your face, and discuss with me. Just talk to me. Why the name is important? Number one, can I say, sir, for documentation the name is important? Yes or no, my dear? Do you agree? For documentation name is important? Yes, very yes. Okay. Second, very importantly, to build I would say to rather build a confidence between the doctor and the patient. Yes or no? To have a confidence between the doctor and the patient, you definitely need to know the name of the patient. So for documentation it is important, for confidence it is important, even for the records, for the hospital records also, naturally it is important. These are the question examiner is going to ask you, why name is important. And then I have seen student getting dumb, sir, name actually karna and all is not help, this will help. Okay. So the name is important for documentation, for confidence of the patient and doctor, and also for the records is also very, very important.